trigger. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am going to put you guys right here. Can I? Yes, I can. Obviously I can. Okay. Hey guys, I miss you guys quite. I miss you guys so much. I'm just super busy with the uni right now. I say that a lot, but like honestly, genuinely, I miss high school because high school, if we tak buat homework ke apa-apa, dia tak kisah. But like if uni, you have to finish it no matter what. You'll get cancelled if you don't finish your assignment. So guys, I don't know why I can't focus in class right now. So I'm gonna take an aesthetic picture. I don't know what is this position of camera.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I have no idea why I put my PC down there, but I don't know, I rasa rimas tau. I need minimalist station for studying. Lari apa-apa I tukar dari cafe dia tak? Yes, I can just have a normal coffee, caramel coffee. Oh, 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. Betul lah sekali. 1, 2, 1, 2, go. 1. Akan terhapus sudah. Erin broken hari ni sebab crush dia reject dia tak ada. Nampak sangat. Kau tunjuk apa ni yang belakang? So guys, we're gonna watch a movie. Why is it so dark? Saya sama YouTube. Hello. Kara akan bakal muncul kat YouTube.
What?
Tak apa.
Tak nak.
Abang jangan sediakan saya lagi bang.
Saya tak nak. Saya dah stress. Stress memang. Dah stress.
Kita buat apa di Marisa? Hari ni kita tengok movie. Introduce yourself. Why is your name Suci? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh, I thought it was 4.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Hi, our accountant. How's your business so far?
Yeah.
How's your business? Penjaga air counter.
So.
Wow, you very rich lah.
Yeah.
Like everybody else back then.
So I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm such a bad vlogger, guys, but I'm going to Starbucks because I need a drink. Okay. Hello. Ada tak pistachio white chocolate?
Pistachio dah habis tapi ini dah pergi sudah.
Adik kakak tak nak tau. Matcha ada caffeine.
Jangan. Cancel matcha lah. Green tea boleh?
Ini siapa?
Okay.
I can only
Can I just have a normal chocolate cream cheese?
Good morning, it's time to get up.
morning. So I'm gonna go to the clinic. I have to go to the clinic to check my something, my body. Oh, skin saya cantik lah. Nak cendol? Abang dah breakfast ke bang? Dah breakfast dah? Alamak. Baguslah bang. Tekun. Tekun dan rajin. Abang punya kedai viral tau hari tu. Saya post.
Janganlah.
Tak apalah. Janganlah abang.
Yang view.
Taklah. For fun je. For fun je. Sekali muka abang masuk FYP.
TikTok tu tulis apa?
Tulis live saya. Masukkan muka abang. Cakap, wow, abang ni ceria lah. Hey, I got my cendol. Thank you, Abang Cendol, for being so sweet to me. Happy birthday, Adam. Jangan malu. Throw at me. You want to throw at me? Throw at kakak Dini. Pink. Oh no, cannot. Is that the one you bought hari tu tu? Oh my god!
30 kilo.
Boleh mandi ni.
Wow! Adam! Mama's cooking
Chicken curry.
Hey guys! The event starts like at 3 PM actually. Sikit. Macam gitu. Guys, I think I put too much. Girl! Kena buat sepah ya. Okay guys, I'm gonna do time lapse. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! The makeup is done. I haven't put setting spray on it, but this is mostly it. Apa peachy tak? Tak tahu lah, tapi kita lah. Oh my god, it's so cantik. I'm using where is it? My Ace foundation in the code Snow. Oh my god, why is it zoomed in? I'm going to the drugstore. Why is it zoomed in? Wait, I have no idea what's wrong with the camera. Why is it zoomed in? What the heck? But I am going to the drugstore to buy some things. Nak swipe eh?
Boleh. Please use your card. Kalau tak boleh, you try pin boleh?
Pin? Pin. Guna card ni je lah.
Boleh. Sekejap. Saya rasa kita balikkan kot. Macam ni. Okay.
I'm gonna do a quick haul. What I bought just now from the drugstore. I bought this because I saw my favorite influencer, Sophia Shahira. She bought this, she tried this, and I wanted to try it also. One day I bought this just for fun and then tried it and in love with it. It's so good. You drink it, you take it with like Milo. It's so good. Alicia, say hi. Richie, want to see yourself? See yourself. Look. Richie. Hey, you show Adam. Show Adam. We got the presents right here. This is mine. I gave Adam this. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. So we got the pandan cake. And then the curry.
Then we have Chon.
It's my favorite. It's the pandan cake. It's by Mama. Kalau nak order sila pian tepi ya. Selamat Nadia.
Promote, hi.
Korang makan apa tu?
Cik batik.
Cik batik. Wow. Cakap lah. Cakap hi kat YouTube. YouTube ni.
Yeah. I subscribe.
Ha?
I subscribe.
Ah, apa?
Subscribe.
Ha? Ah, yelah. Subscriber.
Your YouTube channel.
Oh, ya ke? Thank you. Bagi dia aku yang kan. Wow, ada lagi. Wow.
Dalam beg, ambil dalam beg.
Wow.
Tiga baju. Dah 3 baru. Besarnya.
Terima cakap tak apa.
Wow. Next from Ucu Airin. Say thank you to me.
Ucu Airin tak buka harga.
You wanna hug me? You wanna hug me? Hug. Say thank you to me. Wow. He saw it in my room. Okay, can open.
Belikan dia sink. Yeah. Because dekat tempat
Mami, tolong dia Mami.
kalau aku hari-hari makan. Janganlah.
Kat situ.
Biar bulat ke tak ya.
Boleh. Abang, lo Ucu. Airin.
Airin sengit lah benda tu.
Guys, I'm gonna go to the hospital because I have to be admitted. So I have to pack and my tudung is like not functioning. But yeah, I'm scared. So a lot of people asked me about this, so here's the story. So short story, I have a cyst under my armpit and it was hurting me so bad, so I had to see the doctor and I also vlogged everything. It was a great experience but scary at the same time because it was my first time ever doing surgery. I have never done any surgery in my whole entire life. Yeah, kita macam sempat lagi tau vlog masa tu tengah-tengah sakit tu. Macam ya Allah, Airin ni. So Mama bought for me bankachi. I can't talk right now, I'm so weak. But Mama left me already. I'm so weak, guys. Oh my god. So they sent me their hospital food for dinner. Soup, I think. Ada garlic lagi kan. It's clean. fish. Ooh. Got the caramel pudding. Hey guys, so I'm alone right now and my surgery went well, so I have to take out like a BG under my armpit, and the surgery went well. I literally like felt like dying, honestly. Okay, what was just now, I just like felt super suffocated. Cash came over.
Ada uji ni ubat tak makan ni. Kau memang kau nak sakit ke? Kau tak kau ubat?
Tak rasa pain. Kau makan pain killer kan? Bagi tak sakit ke salah?
I was honestly feeling super low and demotivated that time, so I have my friends came over to visit me and they bought me things. So thank you so much to everyone who came by. I love you guys so much. And yeah, that's basically it for this whole entire vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye.